Yeah, dahil ang mga kasama ko, every time na local trip, malalaki yung mga bag. I learned. Nag-trunk na rin ako.
So pinuno mo din?
Pero hindi naman.
So naka-flex yan?
Number 1.
Oh.
Guys, I super love my hotel room. Look. All to myself. Grabe. Sobrang relaxing again. It's been a while. I think February. Feeling ko kasi ang daming nangyari. Feb, March, April, May. So I think after 2 months, I'm back to the beach and fun-ilayang. Char. Wala maisip. Guys, super aesthetic. Like anywhere you go. Like dun sa labas, diba, sa dining. As in, ang ganda ng mga tables and chairs, details. And, pati yung lalagyan nga lang ng towel, ang ganda. Sobrang, talagang pinag-isipan, dinesign tong third baby ng Funny Lion. And, congratulations guys, I love you. Binigay sa akin ni Rhea. So sweet, kasi bumili siya, tapos may extra. Wow. Pang may air tag, ayan, magnet na siya. Lagay ko siya dito. Tingnan nyo guys. First time ko kasi magkaganyan. Selfie-selfie na tayo. Ay! Ayan! Kita niyo yung sarili ko, guys. I'm so happy.
For you guys to be able to showcase one Ayala Mall and your bonding and all. So it's just why we prefer to have this seconds.
Would there be like specific
Brands.
stores or brands?
Hi everyone! Hi girls! You all so pretty. Cabs here. Charming and quick love, no? I think
These are my 8 mermaid swimwear. Diba? Ang cute. Sobrang magkakaiba sila ng peg. This is so girly with the skirt. And this is so sexy. And this is kapag busog ako, one piece. And this one, high waist din siya. And ang cute. Colorful. I love it. Hi guys, good morning. Wala pa akong tulog. Medyo na-makeupan ko lang siya, pero it's so weird. Maybe because 6 PM nagkape pa ako. Parang pangatlong kape ko na yun kahapon and hindi ako makatulog. Like, literal. Ang sarap ng kama, sobrang comfortable, but wala eh. Ang lakas ng kape sa akin, ng effect. So, hindi pa naman ako nahihilo today. Wala pa naman. I feel like marami pa akong energy, obviously. And probably later, I'm gonna rest early na lang, if ever. Wala na talaga akong matirang energy. So anyway, I'm wearing, as usual, 8 mermaid. Ganyan siya. So, nagdoble muna ako para, kasi island hopping naman kami ngayon eh. So, magbo-boat muna. So, ayoko muna masyado mag-two-piece. Wow! Conservative yan! Sa vlog lang. Hi, Orianatics. Ano tawag sa
Arianatics.
Arianatics?
Ano tawag sa
Aryan
mga
World.
viewers?
Actually, wala
Aryan
wala
World.
nga.
Aryan World?
Hi, Salmanatics.
Ay, Orianatics. Ay,
Orianatics, love you.
meron naman dati talaga. Arianatics.
So,
I don't
Arianatics.
understand them.
Kamusta na ang
I
love
only
life mo?
understand English
Oh!
and Korean.
Oh, love life. Wala. Walang ganun.
Okay, bye!
Bye, walang nasabi. Aura lang to, aura.
Aura lang po. Sabi ko, di ba? Sabi namin, lagi kayo yung
800 ang shutter. 200 ang ISO.
Marami kang ganyan swimsuit.
Parang ganyan naman lagi sa...
Sinabi nyo nga, ang dami kong drama lagi sa top, diba?
800 peso?
200.
Yung yellow na yan, parang
Aray?
kay Abe ba yun? Yung kay Abe na brand?
Suvadera?
Di ba? Parang
Ay,
hindi
oo.
din
One,
dati.
ay dati, may ganun sila, yung
Parang
super
pareho-pareho
ganun.
Gagi yun, yung red.
Closer! Vina! Sorry, wala ka sa frame. At closer! To the left! To the left!
Tawa sa ginawa. Sorry, ganito talaga kami.
Yung friend mong Century Tuna Bar contest.
Hindi, ito yung base ko.
Ah? Grabe. Tinitimbang ang rice. God. Good morning, guys! 8 Mermaid, twinning.
Hindi shot.
Yeah, hindi shot. This one.
Tapilok.
Hindi shot. So, at least may comparison kayo kapag morena, bagay naman ang ano, ang purple.
So, pag purple po, tapos medyo tan. Hindi, tan.
Tan, that's tan. Tapos siya, pag maputi, bagay na bagay din.
Vlog mo ba ito?
Oo.
Ano ka vlog ka pala?
Pag nag-travel.
Ah.
Oo.
Ngayon na nga lang ulit eh.
Sipag. Sipag ng Century Tuna World finalist. Hi guys! Grabe, super dami ko nang na-content. Actually, kaming lahat ang dami na naming na-content dito sa Funny Lion. And right now, it's my third day. Sila Rhea, sila Vina, uuwi na ngayon. Ako kasi pinapili kami ng dates. Bitin kasi if it's just 3 days and 2 nights. So, may option naman kami to stay longer. So, hanggang bukas pa ako dito, and Lisa, and Mikhail, and Jessica. So, it's my third, sorry, gumagalaw ako, hotel with Funny Lion. The first one was in Coron, or El Nido. El Nido na una, and then Coron, and then this one. I'm so happy because they still trust me. Thank you so much, Funny Lion. And talaga namang, super relaxing. The bed, sobrang okay. Quality. And this one is my favorite so far. The food is so good as well. Roasted chicken, which is wala sa menu, pero sinasabi namin na ilagay nyo na sa menu. Sobrang solid, sarap. Fit check tayo. I'm wearing 8 Mermaid and Crocs, by the way. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. And my bag is from Green Hills. Nakita ko siya, so parang feeling ko bagay at sakto siya sa akin. Guys, na-feel nyo ba kung bumababa yung camera? And also, I'm using this sunblock from Nature Republic. It's for the face. And it has aloe vera. Ayan ako, kumakatok na sila. Wait, nag-vlog ako, tapos na eh.
Guys, okay lang ba yung trend yung gano'n shades? Gawin ko ngayon.
Ay, ngayon, gagawin mo. Magagawa ba?
Ngayon.
Ah, sige.
Sana.
That's how they picture.
May Tupperware.
Guys, alis na sila. Iwanan nila ako. Ganyan talaga mga pamilyado na. Wow, pamilyado! Porket single.
Uwi ng maaga.
Mga mag-asa.
dogs kasi, kawawa.
May dog din naman ako. May dog din naman ako. May aso din naman ako.
Sorry.
Bye.
It's not my intention.
Bye. Hi guys, so this is from Chick Bay. Cute! Actually, hindi siya yung in-expect kong order. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. So, dun sa picture kasi medyo parang off-white siya. Tapos, sobrang daming bulaklak. As in, like, tas yung bulaklak parang nakaganon. Ito hindi, ganyan siya. So, I was really disappointed at first. Pero, looking at it right now, it's okay. Pero maluwag siya sa akin, so pinin ko siya sa likod. Pero for picture purposes, ipipin ko muna siya. So, ganyan. Medyo iba na yung pagsalita ko. Nakakatatlong margaritas na ako. But it's really refreshing. Their cocktail is so good as well. So, yeah. I'm gonna go there. So, bow. So, later! So guys, kami na lang natira ni Lisa.
Single girls. Subtle promotion on your vlog.
Yeah, available.
Available. Doable.
My dinner is burger. What did you order?
Chicken. My favorite.
Yun nga, sinabi ko rin yun kanina sa vlog ko. Sabi ko nga, sobrang sarap ng chicken. So, yeah. So, magchika na lang kami dito. Guys, just to give you an idea, ito yung lobby, diba? So, meron ditong coffee station. As in, guys, the first day na nagkapay ako, mga 6 p.m. yun. Hindi ako nakatulog. As in, midnight. As in, ganun kalakas yung kape nila. Kaya-kaya paglaban. So, yan. Ito yung rooms namin. So, very accessible sa lahat. And you can make tambay right here. And magkakape na rin ako. Morning, Mom. Morning.
Kunyari hindi ka.
May commission.
Kunyari wala kang bulsa. Oh, meron kang hook. Hook mo sa bag mo.
Ay, wow.
Madali lang. Naligay mo lang. Pata natin. Demo.
Ay, grabe.
Ayan, oh.
He's
Oh, ayan,
trying
oh.
to sell this SD card. Para siyang SD card. Para siyang external.
It's actually an external drive.
Ah,
but
okay.
ang kinagandahan na to, sobrang bilis niya. And it's 2 terabyte.
Oh! Hi guys, it's checkout time na. Ayan na, naka-checkout na ako yung mga gamit ko. Ayan na. I'm so sad I'm leaving, but syempre, life must go on. Life must go on. Nag-move on. So anyway, I really had so much fun here. It's been 4 days and 3 nights and I'm really happy. Bitten, this is really my favorite resort. If you really wanna chill, as in chill lang. Yung hindi mo kailangan lumabas ng resort, tapos meron namang beach in front, and gusto mo mag-kayak, mag-island hopping, meron din. So, everything is here. Our flight is actually at 8 p.m. pa. O, diba, may biyahe pa pala pa Manila ng ganong oras. So, yeah, we're just gonna go check out and just bid everyone goodbye. So, later.